Hi, I'm Jen from JenThereDoneThat, and it's about to start raining. Let's go inside. Rain and tropical storms are just part of Caribbean life, so we adapt. Instead of going to El Yunque Rainforest today, we're stopping by for lunch and a surprise. Indoor racing, arcade games, karaoke, axe throwing. This is the indoor amusement park in Canovanas, Puerto Rico. First stop is a snack at Karma's restaurant, and we get an amazing view of the arcade lounge from the cocktail bar. This weird sky rail contraption was the very first thing we saw walking in. And it looks like so much fun. Don't be like me and wear a dress. I really wanted to play on this one, so next time, definitely wearing shorts or pants so that I can go and get into the harness and climb around. Look at how high they can go up. It's a really cool obstacle course. I saw kids of all ages playing on it. Kids of all ages were climbing around on this thing. They're in a safety harness, and there are different levels for the various age groups of kids. There's something to challenge every participant. And if you feel the need for speed, they have an indoor go-kart K1 speed racing thing. It's 40,000 square feet track of electric go-karts just zipping around. The bowling alley feels like something straight out of the Jetsons. It is definitely not your old Flintstones bowling alley. They have all these bright lights and touch screens, and I felt like I was more of in a video game than old school bowling. So that was a really cool experience, but it is bright, it is loud. The kids were loving it. And when the cocktails kick in and you need to sit down, here is a self-contained karaoke box. But who are we kidding? After a couple cocktails, you're definitely not sitting in this karaoke box. And sometimes you just need to throw an axe. Midweek may not have been the best time to come here. A lot of the rides were maybe self-service or nobody was on them, but they still look like a lot of fun. Walking around between rides, you're reminded that you're still in a mall. You can go shopping. There's all these stores here. There's a mall food court if you just want snacky junk food for the kids. This is such a crazy, weird thing, but it's also a great option when it's raining and pouring rain, thunderstorms outside. It's just not safe to be out at the beach or really any place at the moment. So this was a really good opportunity for my mom and I. And despite the thunderstorms outside, we were still able to go surfing. Yeah, I know it looks ridiculous, but we were having such a good time. And frankly, we had the best instructor. If you're looking for a fun afternoon where you can stay dry out of the tropical storms, Sector 66 in Canovanas is a really great option. Everybody was just relaxed, enjoying the indoor amusement park, not worrying about the storm outside. This is another great example of how living in the Caribbean, living on an island, you just have to be flexible and adapt your plans. Always have a backup plan and go with the flow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Jen There, Done That, living in Puerto Rico and adapting in Puerto Rico.